It's a key in my book, Manifesting You, 111 Keys to Unlocking Your Divinity. And it's key number 11. If you got your book, you can read along. It's page 29. But I'm going to read it to you. And if you have the opportunity right now, definitely speak these words out loud so you can empower yourself, empower your day, and get to the next level. I am letting go of every part of me that is not contributing to my elevation. Listen, are you ready? Are you willing to let go of every part of you that's not contributing to your elevation? Or are you still on that bullshit? You still want the things that's not good for you, that's not yielding you the return that you want, that's not bringing the things into your life that you desire. Or, I mean, you still want to hold on to those things? Those parts of you. This is not the time where we look around and we talk about everything else and everyone else. The parts of you. Because to be honest with you, let's say that you're in a toxic relationship, in a bad relationship or something like, some shit like that. After you break up with that person, you also have to break up with the part of you who allowed it. You also have to break up with the part of you that was okay with it. You also have to break up with the part of you that attracted it. So you have to let go of parts of you that are not contributing to your elevation. And for some, this may be something that you're going to have to do on a weekly basis. It may be, for some, it's something that you got to do on a daily basis. Personal assessment is required for daily elevation. So I am letting go of every part of me that's not contributing to my elevation. Is that where you at? Is that what you're doing? Or are you feeding these things that don't contribute to your elevation? The people at Manifest University, and there's a few of them in the room, the family at Manifest University would be the first to tell you what you feed thrives and what you starve dies. So what are you feeding? What are you giving life to? What are you allowing to prosper in your life? Are you allowing something to prosper in your life that's not allowing your life to prosper? And then wondering why it's not going your way? Are you opening doors to calamity in your life and not understanding why you don't have peace? The affirmation says, I am letting go of every part of me that is not contributing to my elevation. If you don't see those parts of you that's not contributing to your elevation that you need to let go and you need to release, you're your biggest problem. Nothing else is in your way but you. Because I guarantee you there's some parts of you that you need to let go that's not contributing to your elevation. It's stopping your paper. It's stopping your progress. It's holding up your process. It's stopping your prosperity. I can go all day. But so can that bullshit that you allowing to stay in your life. So the next thing says, I am letting go of every part of me that's not contributing to my elevation. I am moving forward with dignity, grace, and patience. Is that where you're at? Is that where you're at on this scale right now? You're moving forward. You've let go of some things that was holding you down, slowing you down, weighing you down, pulling you back. It wasn't fueling you, so it was pulling you. You had to figure out how to let it go. You let it go. It wasn't contributing to your elevation, and now you're moving forward. But not only are you moving forward, you're doing it with dignity, respect, grace, that's understanding, patience. That's being in the right place in the right time and understanding that where you are right now is exactly where you're supposed to be, and you're getting exactly what you're supposed to be getting out of the situation. If not, you're going to go through life wandering around and trying to figure out where are you supposed to be. I know right where I am. This is right where I need to be. And there's a blessing for me right here in this situation. And all I have to do is open my eyes to it and tap into it. And I know that for sure because I've already let go of every part of me that wasn't contributing to my elevation. The next thing said, I'm moving forward with dignity, grace, and patience. The next affirmation after that says, I am welcoming this new chapter with the highest level of gratitude and humility. Are you welcoming the new chapter The new things that's coming into your life, the things that you prayed for, the things that you asked for, the things that you believe for, the things that you work for, are you actually welcoming them into your life? Or are you still trying to hold on to things from a previous season? You know, we are creatures of habit. And doing the wrong thing in the new season will mess up your harvest. You hear what I'm talking about? In the new season, if you're still doing the things that you did in the last season, it's gonna mess up your harvest. It ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work for you. Life don't work if you don't do what works. So are you welcoming this new chapter with the highest level of gratitude? Are you grateful for it? Or are you kicking and screaming? Are you still holding on to the old shit, thinking about who left you or who let you down? First of all, them people didn't let you down. You just had them up too high. And I'll go a bit further and just say, no one broke your heart. They just broke your expectations. We'll deal with that another time. There's a whole chapter on it in this book called Assets and Allies that deals with your relationships and your connections to people and other energy. So get the book so you could go through that. So after I'm letting go of every part of me that's not contributing to my elevation, after moving forward with dignity, grace, and patience, after welcoming this new chapter with the highest level of gratitude and humility, you know what's left? You know what's next? Elevation. Elevation. You've let go of what was holding you down, slowing you down, weighing you down. You progressed along your path. You welcome the new blessings. Now, my spirit rises to match the new and magical beginnings that await me. Your spirit should be in a state of elevation where it matches. It looks like it's in the same room. They're twinsies with the new and magical blessings and things that await you. They've been waiting for you to get that shit out your life, waiting for you to change your mindset, waiting for you to let go of these things that should not have been controlling you. And now as you elevate, now as you get to the next level of your life, low vibrating energies can't reach you at this height. There's going to be people that don't even know how to communicate with you anymore. The things that they used to do to trigger you don't even work no more. The trauma bonds that y'all had in common, that was the reason why y'all operated in unison, don't even exist anymore. Low vibrating energies can't reach me at this height. I see what you're trying to do. I know what your energy really about. I understand that you want me to be bothered, but low vibrating energies can't reach me at this height. I see there's a problem over here. I understand that that's not what I want it to be. I see you got an issue, but low vibrating energies can't reach me at this height. Everything else is just everything else. This affirmation ends by saying, my vision is locked and focused on the multiple blessings that are coming my way. My vision. And I'm not even talking about your eyesight. I said vision, not sight. Your vision. See less with your eyes, see more with your mind. Your vision is locked and focused on the multiple things, multiple blessings, prosperity that's coming your way. This is a recipe for expansion. These are affirmations that will move your life forward and take you to the next level. Whatever that next level looks like. Bring you freedom, bring you prosperity, bring you the ability to be greater than you've ever been. That's what I want for you. I wouldn't water you if I didn't want you to grow. If you don't have this book already, make sure you go to brianhyppolite.com and grab it. It's currently on sale. So get your copy of Manifesting You 111 Keys to Unlocking Your Divinity, or get the Manifest Pack, which is going to have the book, the audio book, the ebook, the affirmation audio set, as well as my course. And I'm going to give you a free month at Manifest University. So go ahead and check that out. The Manifest Pack is $111.11, and it's, comes with a lot of dope things that's going to change your life, change the way that you see yourself and operate in this dimension. So listen, it's 9 a.m. I have to start the Manifest University call. I get together with my squad every day, and we build and we elevate, and that's exactly what we about to do. So it's been good vibing with you, but I'm gonna go take care of my people. Those who decided to invest in me, I invest in them, and I have a wonderful community that's building on a daily basis, and we got so many amazing individuals in here that are just exceeding expectations. So I'm about to go feed them. You know what I mean? It's not too late for you to join though. You click the link in the bio, go to brianhyppolite.com and come be a part of Manifest University and get this elevation for yourself. All right? I love you to life. I wouldn't water you if I didn't want you to grow. A rising tide raise all boats. It's Brian Hyppolite, the Manifest Mentor. I look forward to seeing you soon. Join Manifest University. You want to keep building.